అదే ఆర్టీవీ యాప్ వార్తల్ని క్షణాల్లో చదివే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. ఒక న్యూస్ పేపర్, ఒక టెలివిజన్ ఛానల్ మీ చేతుల్లో ఎప్పుడూ ఉంటాయి.
It is a great honor to welcome Your Excellency to Mulugu, a land rich in history and culture. We are privileged to host a leader of your stature, who has served as the Deputy Chief Minister of Tripura and is deeply connected to art, culture and writing. Your experience in rural development and Panchayat Raj with the hope of our people. Mulugu's tribal communities have preserved their harmonious lifestyle and vibrant culture despite many challenges. This is best seen the Samakka Sarlama Jatara, one of the Asia's biggest tribal festival, drawing millions and showcasing our deep-rooted traditions. Our region is also closely tied to the Kakatiya dynasty, known for their contribution to art and architecture and water management. The lake adds to our region's charms and appeal for visitors. I humbly urge Your Excellency to convey this concern to the highest levels. We seek your support in balancing the protection of our forests with the development need of our people. Your appreciation for art and culture reflects the spirit of Mulugu, where every tradition tells a story. We hope your visit today will inspire further support for our efforts to uplift this region once again. Welcome to Mulugu, Your Excellency. We look forward to your guidance and support. Thank you, sir. Jai Telangana, Jai Mulugu.
Building a 100-story building in Hyderabad is not tough anymore. Taking all the benefits of central government and state government and vision of the chief minister and the prime minister and the RD minister, the last man is the challenge. And that's where the collector comes in actually. He is the vehicle of taking the services to the last man. And it is being done here. And this upcoming district, there is going to be a medical college, there is going to be a university, university, which is a landmark milestone in development. So it's inclusive growth is going on, and how to make it more intensive and more inclusive, that is what we have to think about. Thank you all for coming. It's nice to have come to a district, and this is my first district. I have started with the tribal district.
మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం వాట్సాప్ ఛానల్ ని ఫాలో చేయండి అండ్ లింక్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ లో ఉంది.